ultimate ignorance you're experiencing is this. You're really the observer in the theater. When you get into the movie, you dumb yourself down greatly from an omnipotent being to a animal. Now, you can still stay in your reality as an animal if you choose to look at life through how your ego presents this world. You can live like that well as long as you stay in your reality. But understand this, you went from an infinite being connected with the source that powers everything to looking at things through the identity of an animal. In this case, a human animal. But it's just one of many animals. Now, if you stayed in your reality, you can still live in peace. I mean, you can still have some remembrance of what it was like when you were an observer. That's what that peace is like. However, you dumb yourself down even further when you do like Eve and did the first sin. And that was left your reality. When you leave your reality and enter someone else's rabbit hole, you dumb yourself down even further from being a holistic animal, such as I am man or I am woman, to being a character in someone else's rabbit hole. So you appear as the wife, and now you have the rules that they can judge you as a wife. You appear as the husband, now they have the rules where they can take things from you, so you can't say anything. You can't say anything about it, bro. You know what I'm talking about, man. You know what I'm talking about, how them ladies move that money like that, man. You know it. It's institutionalized, bro. It comes through your identity. And what? You can't do nothing about it, bro, but give up that bread, man, and shut your mouth, bro. And look at all this, man. You do this because you lack knowledge. That's what Jesus was saying. Forgive them, Lord, because they have no idea what they do. And you, when you transition from the observer to the doer, you're doing too much. I suggest you stop. This game is serious when you do that.